Hello, I'm Avinash Kumar Singh and I'm a PhD student at University of Naples Federico II. In this video, I'm presenting the Prisma Hand 2, which is a sensorized and robust robotic hand for adaptive grasping and in-hand manipulation of objects. We have considerable number of commercial hands available, having multiple drawbacks such as fully actuation and heavy structure, complexity in designs, and lack of force sensations. We proposed a solution from the previous drawbacks in form of Prisma Hand 2, which is a mechanically robust anthropomorphic robotic hand with an under-actuated and lightweight structure, along with the force sensors on the fingertips providing force feedback. Prisma hand structure is composed of 3D printed materials and elastic tendons providing inter-finger under actuation and 3 motors driving 5 fingers. One feature which distinguishes Prisma Hand 2 is the integration of force sensors on each fingertip based on optoelectronic technology. The sensor calibration identifies the parameters of a neural network, which represents the relationship between the external applied force components and the voltage variations. The video shows Prisma Hand's compliant rolling joints that define the robustness of the Prisma Hand thanks to the super elastic tendons present on each finger. The picture shows the design of Prisma Hand in detail with positioning of motors. Prisma Hand 2 can perform different grasping such as power, pinch, and lateral grasp, tested on objects of different orientations. Results show that the hand achieved successful grasping during different grasping procedures. We tried the pinch grasp on slim objects such as a pen, which also proved to be successful. For the lateral grasp, the testing was done on objects such as a debit card and a mobile phone. Other experiments involve in-hand manipulation of various objects in which the force is regulated by acting on the finger motors, ensuring an optimal grasping configuration and fixing the hand in the best position for grasping. Ultimately, force sensors are tested in different grasping configurations and data can be obtained in 3 directions of forces, that is X, Y, and Z directions. In the video, we see the data of the Z direction force. Finally, the test of robustness was ensured because of the presence of superelastic tendons on each fingers. Another experimental test is conducted by making a comparison between the output forces of Prisma hand sensors and the ATI sensors using neural networks such as CNN and FCN, which shows good precision of forces on Z-axis. To conclude, Prisma Hand 2 aims to provide ample opportunities in the prosthesis industry of under-actuated robotic hand with the development of new taxal solution, along with socket and an articulated wrist for the prosthetic device, controlling the hand based on the EMG signal of the user gathered by the EMG sensors. Thank you for listening.